Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to create our chatbot with AI agent and tools template from scratch. This is a very useful tool, and if you want to know what it does, there's a demonstration video linked in the description below. First, head over to the My Flows tab and create a new flow. You can name the flow as you wish and add a description. After that, you'll be directed to the templates page, but since we want to build this flow manually, you can close that tab. Now, you'll be greeted by your canvas. This is where all flows are created. The first step in our flow creation journey is adding the fundamental components: the input, which is the user's query, and the output, which is the chatbot's response to that query. All components between the input and output shape the chatbot's response into the desired output. Let's get started by adding our first component. We'll begin with the tool calling agent. This component acts as the core of our flow, handling inquiries by leveraging the AI agent and tools available. Now, we'll provide the agent with an effective prompt, which you'll find in the description and on the screen. Make sure to also connect chat history in order for the chatbot to be context-aware throughout the session. We can also add document retriever and use any of our previously indexed data. There's a separate video on how to index data linked below. Next, let's add the Google Search Retriever, giving our chatbot full access to search the web for relevant information. We'll also add the URL Retriever to allow the agent to extract key data from your website or uploaded documents for more accurate responses. You can also choose between the various human escalation tools provided for extra human touch. And that's it. Our chatbot with AI agent and tools is ready for action. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or leave a comment. As always, thank you for watching.